Okay guys, so finally we are making a Benidorm Mad Mike cocktail here at Barker's Cocktail Bar. Just twist your hand there a bit. Okay. So, what is in a Benidorm Mad Mike cocktail, you may ask? Bit of peach schnapps, bit of vodka, bit of sangria, bit of cranberry juice, and that is it. Very easy, very simple, for a very simple-minded person. Gonna take the lid off my shaker, still got some water in. And I'm going to start off by adding some snaps. Tell me when, Michael. When? So, next up is the vodka. Am I right? Yep, I'm right. I'm always right. Same again, tell me when there's enough. When? God, I'm gonna need to clean my bar off after. So I have been told to try to do some more cocktail feeds, so that I'm trying to do as many as I can in one day sort of thing, just to like stock them up a bit. Sangria next, going to pour that in on the bar. Or I can just do it this way. When? To finish it off, bit of cranberry juice.
Bit more sangria in there, Marcus, I think. Fork's about halfway.
Got enough?
That would be enough, yeah.
Can't make his mind up how he wants this cocktail. Typical Mad Mike. Finish it off by topping it up with some cranberry juice. I've got the hair in my eye. I have had a haircut today as well, guys, if you can see. Looking very snazzy. Baldy! Shut up, blobby. I've got to make sure the lid's on tight on my shaker. Just give it a nice shake. Mix all the ingredients in. And finally, strain it into a cocktail glass. If I can get the lid off. There. Nice cocktail glass there. Jesus Christ, it goes. Okay, nice cocktail glass. And it has gone everywhere, that's enough for me. I am a wee bit tipsy, not as tipsy as the other week though. I think Scooter Sue's a bit drunk as well. You drunk, Sue?
Come on, barman, what's the woman have to do to get a drink?
Another one. Mad Mike.
That'll do me.
One for Sue. Time to give it a taste. Nice little straw.
Get stuck in there, Marcus. Come on, stop putting it off. Smile. That's a good smile, Marcus.
Well, that is disgusting. Quite fruity. Getting a lot of the sangria taste, which I mean, I'm not a fan of sangria, but I mean, I think Mad Mike will like it. He is, of course, a resident alcoholic of the Jones family, so let's hand it over to them, see what Scooter Sue and Benidorm Mad Mike think of the Benidorm Mad Mike cocktail, shall we? Stay tuned. Say something.
Are we on, Marcus? Sorry, I didn't know you put it on. Right, let's try the best cocktail in Benidorm.
The Benidorm Mad Mike cocktail.
No, it's not the best. Marcus is the best. I'm sure. Thank you very much. Nice and red, as you would expect with sangria.
All I can smell is sangria.
Is this just going to taste of sangria? Come on then, let's give it a go. Yeah, it doesn't taste like there's any alcohol in there at all, does it?
Really?
Perfect cocktail.
That's not. It's not
Just
my
tastes like a fruit juice
taste.
drink.
I'm not a fan of sangria. I'm not a fan of cranberry juice.
That's why I put sangria in there.
So we're passing them all over to Mad Mike. Let's watch him get hammered.
Right, here we go then, boys. What are these to drink?
It's gross.
Thumbs up for me, and nothing for the family.
Sorry, I'm not
Yeah.
a sangria fan, sorry.
Well then, Mark, it's your channel.
So let's see if Mad Mike can handle 3 more of these, as well as a cocktail shaker full. That's
Don't
one
do that.
time.
Just tastes like sangria, to be honest.
Next glass up.
I'm used to these posh glasses. Look at this. Put my little finger up. I tried to do this one. My little finger up. I can't even get it up.
Just about, boy.
Yeah.
Go out and get it done, you lad.
I nearly did then.
Got that big and he still manages to miss his mouth.
Champagne's not my thing.
Really? Huh?
Oh, yeah. Oh, back to normal glasses. Not that bad, guys. It's just like sangria. A little bit of extra.
Hope you enjoyed it.
Sorry,
Anyway.
Marcus, appreciate the effort, but
Yeah, that's
That one's.
that.
Can't like them all, sir.
I think Mum's hammered. by the way, guys. I think she is absolutely drunk, so
Yeah, just like sangria. With a bit of kick.
yeah, okay, Mum.
I need to siesta.
You need a siesta.
So we need to do one of these for every colour, Mark, I think.
For every colour.
Yeah, that's a red one, isn't it?
Yeah.
You've done your avocado one for the yellow.
Yeah. So try and make a cocktail of every colour.
Yeah, why not? I'll challenge you.
It's gonna be hard. I'm not really certain some of the stuff for some cocktails you can get over here, so
We can get blue wicked and stuff like that. It'll be blue for you.
I mean, yeah, I've done a green red flat fog, and
Yeah, you've done the green one.
I think there's a few others I could maybe do eventually, hopefully.
You're
If
going
I
to do some
can
with
get
blue
the
wicked.
sun. I've done one with blue wicked.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Like
flat
that
fog. Anyway, guys, all of us here in Benidorm, it's goodbye. Hope you've enjoyed today's brilliant video, and I'll see you all next time.
Cheers,
Here
guys.
at Benidorm, Crazy Marcus's bar.
Just another brilliant day in Benidorm.
Marcus. Hopefully you can see that, guys. Adios.
See you later on, guys.